Number 11, the function f defined by f of t equals 14t plus 9 gives the estimated length in inches of a vine plant t months after Tavon purchased it. I hope I'm saying that name right. Which of the following is the best interpretation of 9 in this context? For these kind of problems, when they're asking about the best interpretation, I like to get my answer first in my head before I look at their answers. There are some problems where looking at the answers is what I advise you to do first. This is not one of them, because sometimes they can be very similar as to what the answers are. And so I like to have in my head like what I'm looking for before I kind of read all their conflicting information. So here we have our starting function f of t equals random dot 14t plus 9. So when we have a function, it's saying when I plug in t, a number for t, and then I do the math, my output is going to be f of t. So if I said if t is 3, then what is f of 3? Means you're going to put 3 in wherever there's a t, you're going to do that math, and then that is going to be f of t, that value that you get. This is all about input and output. T is your input, and then what you get is f of t, your output. So there's an estimated length in inches of a vine plant t months after he purchased it. All right, so when he purchases it, t is 0 because it's 0 months after he purchased it. So what would happen if I plugged in 0 in here? I would get 14 times 0 plus 9. 14 times 0 is 0, plus 9 is 9. So at 0 months after he purchased it, I'm assuming Tavon is a boy's name. I may be wrong about that. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry because I'm saying he. I don't know. I'll just say Tavon. 0 months after Tavon purchased it, it was 9 inches because that's what this function gives us, the estimated length in inches of the vine plant. So when he purchased it, when Tavon purchased it, I'm going to keep saying Tavon, don't know he, she here. When Tavon purchased it, the plant was 9 inches long. So what is the best interpretation of 9 in this context? Well, that's the number of inches, the length of this plant when it was purchased. It was 9. And then the 14 would be how many inches it's growing each month. Because then what if it was 1 month after Tavon purchased it? So then t is 1. Then it'd be 14 times 1 plus 9, or 23 inches. So it grew by 14 inches in that 1 month. So 14 is the growth each month, and 9 is the number of inches that the plant was when it was purchased. So what does 9 mean? We look at our options here. Let's see which one lines up best with what we've just determined. It says A, Tavon will keep the vine plant for 9 months. No, there's no reference to 9 having anything to do with how many months Tavon's keeping the plant. B, the vine plant is expected to grow 9 inches each month. Nope, we looked at it and said that 14 was how many inches we expect the vine plant to grow each month. C, the vine plant is expected to grow to a maximum length of 9 inches. Nope, we saw that in the very first month it grew to 23 inches. D better be right. D, the estimated length of the vine plant was 9 inches when Tavon purchased it. Yes, that is exactly what we said it meant, so we've got our answer D. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com, and if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.